Okay, apparently there is a new club on my lock picking Reddit about picking a lock after eating really spicy food. Most people are doing hot sauce. I got dried ghost peppers. They look horrible. And I did the great thing of watching a bunch of videos of people eating these things before doing it. So now I've procrastinated for like 3 hours. It smells bad. Why am I doing this? Yeah, that sucks. So I got a master lock number 3. I knew I wasn't going to be able to concentrate. Here's the first tick. Oh, let's get this open. Where's the video? And we are open. Ugh. Now to just enjoy this for a little while. Might as well try another lock. Master lock 140. Nope, I overset that. No. Come on, you. There it goes. Master lock 140 open. Oh, I'm crying. This sucks. I think I made the 1 minute minimum though. So I'm gonna go pray for death. Unfortunately. Take it easy, y'all.